SanDisk, this was the big winner last week. A lot of things going on here. One, I mentioned the key signpost. That's how we started to handle this trade way back in early September. The first signal was green flag status. And we said, boy, this might be something potentially special. And we said, we're going to use some other signposts along the way to try and help manage the trade. We wanted to get to the 8-week mark. We've had 4 sharp, scary pullbacks that really could have tested you, unless you've got some good holding rules and you know what you're looking for to get you out of the position if things are not acting normally. After the close on Thursday, they reported very good earnings and sales and some good guidance. It was extreme relative strength. Now it closed the day at new highs. That's a very bullish candle. Volume was really, really strong. Still has not violated the 10 SMA. It's currently around 201.68. We're looking at that closely as a guide. That's what I'm really paying attention to, as well as a couple of other things. One is the $50 billion psychological valuation level for this stock would be around 343. Stock has immediately gone from 10 billion to 20 billion in valuation. Storage is in incredible demand during the inference phase of AI. And SanDisk might be simply playing catch up. Maybe it does get to 50 billion. And if it did, we'd be up around this price level of 343. It's my largest position. I'm watching it closely. SanDisk intraday. This is a 3-minute chart. We opened the day, then we quickly moved down this line. This is actually 205, 206 area on the chart from the prior day, which was support. As the stock came down, it immediately got some support and it rallied. It rallied all the way up to 228.80, and then the stock backed off. And then it started to back off more and it came back down, but you'll notice that the floor seemed to be setting itself. We got support here, and then right around that 205, 206 area, you can see the stock just stopped going down and went sideways. And then all of a sudden the buyer came back in, pushed it up, and then let the stock fall back down. And again, that floor right there, that buyer was very interested in soaking up shares. Right around 12:15 Eastern time is when the NASDAQ started to rally. And you can see SanDisk rallied. And as it rallied, now the pullback is very, very shallow. There's no volume. So whoever was pushing it down here has started to back off, and there's basically buyers coming in to support the stock at a higher level versus the 205 area. By 1:30, some big fund or multiple big funds simply say, buy me everything you can get. I want to get us a position. You can see right here is when it happened and the market started to rally. And look at this move. This type of price action, tight, steady accumulation. And it's evident in the footprints. Look at the volume. Boom, boom, boom. All the stock that was available. Some institutions were soaking it up. Great way to end the week. And look how tight that is versus the volatility early in the session. But when I started to see this happening, I became much more comfortable that this was going to work out. Join RainKingInsights.com for more educational content and trade ideas.